Okay, so hi! I'm getting ready to sleep now, and before I sleep I'm gonna try these Deck Out Women crystal eyelid patches that were given to me free by Pinky Paradise. Because they always give away, well, usually, they always give free stuff when you buy things from pinkyparadise.com. So I actually put these in the fridge. I often do that with my, it's like an eye mask, right? So I often do that with my eye masks. I put them in the fridge, and you can wear these for up to 12 hours, but you should wear them for at least 15 minutes. So I'm going to open them now and put them on. So I have really dry skin, but I still get acne, as you can see, and so I have sensitive skin, and I get acne on my cheeks. Like, I don't really have acne here, don't really have acne here. Sometimes I get some things on my forehead, but not so much. It's mostly my cheeks. Strange, huh? But I guess it's because I just have dry, sensitive skin. So I'm really excited about these eye patches because especially around my eyes, it tends to get really dry, and I'm prone to eczema, which sucks. So I'm gonna actually leave them on for about, I don't know, 6 hours? 5 hours? I don't know. And when I wake up in the night, I'll take them off. We'll see if they can stay on all night. Whoa, it's like jelly. You just should put them on like that. It's like jelly, wow. Oh, it sticks. Okay, cool. So cool, but it also has like extra liquid. What if I pat that liquid on my face, because it might be beneficial. Especially for my lips. Sometimes I put eye cream on my lips, and because if I have very dry skin, so I just try to use all of the products and not waste anything. To get it on my top eyelid because it gets really dry. I usually get eczema around here and then in the corners of my eyes. And so this is supposed to reduce dark circles, remove puffiness, it's enriched with moisturizers, prevent and refine aging, anti-wrinkle and refirming. So the Deck Out Women Crystal Eyelid Patches. So I'll show you the next day, or I'll review these the next day. Ciao!